Hey YouTube, this video is going to be on the Ford OEM accessory for the hard tri-fold bed cover. It shows as being made by REV Industries, R-E-V Industries. And I did a little research and found out that that's the same company as Backflip. So the Backflip G2 is basically the equivalent of this. They just make it and Ford brands it as an OEM accessory from what I understand. So I actually found this as a Facebook Marketplace deal. They had it listed for 600 bucks and I ended up getting it for less than 500. So normally they're, I think, 1100 retail. So I went ahead and jumped on this, and I couldn't find any videos on this exact cover. So this is a 2019 F-150 and it's got the 5.5 foot bed. So I wanted to just give a quick look at what this looks like. If you need an installation video, just look up a Backflip G2. It's B-A-K-F-L-I-P G2, and you'll find the accessory instructions. So I've got the lights on just to show you, but it has the cable pull system. So you pull this and it releases both sides, and then you can lift up on the entire cover. And this is an aluminum cover. And then you can see the sticker there. You do have to shut the tailgate before you can close it. So I'll just show you quickly what it'll do if you don't. So it'll butt into that because this rubber thing sits on top of it. So as we open this up and continue to fold it, it's a series of these little cable pulls that release these hinges from the bed rails. And to install this, there were a total of 8 pieces of hardware. So there's the rail itself, and then there's these little aluminum brackets, 3 on each side, and then there's a thumb screw. This is basically a carriage bolt. There's a thumb screw on the bottom of that, and I'll show you in a second here. So the neat thing about this is that you can get to the entire bed by folding it up, and it's got some little bump stops on it that let it rest against the windshield, or the rear windshield. And then in the rails, these little hardware, or excuse me, these little posts are there, and you can loosen this up, which drops it into place. And it's got one on both sides so that the wind can't push it back. So that's pretty cool. And then the thumb screws are right there that I was mentioning. And then obviously to close it up, you can raise that, tighten it up so it doesn't rattle. And then this will rest in there. And to close, you can just easily let it down. And it does give a nice positive latch into place. And then the last one, leave it up. Tailgate shut, so then this can also latch. Then you can see the rubber seal goes over the edge, so that's pretty nice. And then up front there's another rubber flap, and there's this piece that goes under this that I didn't get because I got this used, so I'm gonna have to get online and see if I can order that replacement. But all in all, this is a really, really nice bed cover. It's pretty versatile in that you can pop it up like a headache rack almost and get to your entire bed if you need it. And then you've also got the nice hard cover. I think it's 300 or 400 pounds that this is rated to hold on top of it. If you were to need some additional space and store it on there going down the road, you've got it. So if you have any questions, let me know below. I just wanted to give a closer look at this since there weren't any videos I could find on YouTube of this exact Ford OEM accessory. And thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.